And that's on purd. For me, it's a no makeup for me. Listen now, I just step in from work and I get a delivery notice paper. Them leave delivery when you're not there home. And I see my friend named Shanice. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's now 4:30. They said that they will come back at 6 to 8, anytime between that period. This isn't even going to be like a full video, but I have to do an unboxing because I know what's in that box. And it came at the right moment because I've had a rough couple of days. The damn earthquake. This box is coming right on time. Shanice girl, you and your mother? You and your mother, girl? People not gonna see. Not gonna see. I'm not even clean up the table. Guys, the box is here. The box is here. Never open it. No! Lord. No, Jesus. Canada get banana chips. And what is this, guys? What is this? Whoever know me know exactly what this be. Exactly what this be. Can't believe that Shanice's mother Christmas done and gone, and Shanice's mother make one next cake just to me. Can't even open one. Just take a peep. Just take a peep. I need to wash my hands. Just take a peep. Oh. And me get banana chips and pepper shrimp. I am so happy. God, Father God, you good enough? Oh my God. And me cut a slice of this. Look at this beautiful cake. My background is so messy. My hair is so messed up, but yes, I eat cake with a spoon. It's delicious. No, but when I look out the devil, I try very strong. After me want my banana chips, all I need that tray. Excuse me? Excuse me? I'm gonna eat my banana chips. Oh! And that's on purd. Bright. In my head. No, every day.